Hello everyone. I have asked you in my earlier videos to send me the questions, your difficulties where you find an issue or which you want to be resolved by me. So I have received a number of questions. I am sharing with you one question which I have received from a candidate. She is an FCAT candidate, a graduate level entry candidate. So this video is more relevant for graduate entry candidates. The story which I will discuss will be for graduate entry candidates, but in general even NDA candidates can also watch and understand. But the story will be different for NDA candidates. Procedure will be same. So I will show you the question that the candidate has sent, for which I am answering and made this video, and then I will show you a picture which I will discuss in detail and guide you how to write a acceptable story on that. Now as you will read the question, it will be clear that the candidate wants me to first advise how to choose the theme, identify the hero, and then how to write a story. So please watch carefully, it will help you. So here is the question. First of all, thank you sir for this much needed initiative. Sir, please take a picture and teach about how to observe it, what all types of themes and respective actions are suitable for that pic according to various entries like NDA or graduation entries, because we graduates have to think of higher level, I guess. Also sir, tell what kind of stories which candidate often write are unacceptable. Thank you so much sir. Now here is the picture for you to observe. Observe it carefully, note the number of characters, note the background scene, and then you will have to choose the hero. So look at the picture carefully, the sex, age, mood, background, profession, education level, socio-economic status, everything. Now, who is your hero? Two options are available. Senior lady or the little girl. Now relationship between the two characters, they can be daughter and mother, aunt, grandmother, close relative, then caretaker and child under her care, teacher and student, and there can be more relationships also which you can guess. Let's first choose the senior lady as our hero. She is talking affectionately with little concern to the little girl. What could she be talking about? Then the child is appearing to be in a serious mood. The child may be having mild fever. She may be suffering from some anxiety. She may be annoyed over some issue. She may be throwing tantrums. So you have watched the picture. It is there in front of you. And one senior lady, age should be around 55 years of age. We are just assessing. You see, you don't have to write. In the TAT story, you don't have to write all this. But we are just assessing that what would be the age of the senior lady. There are two characters in the picture. And the second character is a little girl, maybe of around 8-9 years, 10 years of age approximately. So this is, we are thinking at the back of our mind because we have to frame the story. It is not PP and DT, we don't have to write it. Now the first thing that comes to our mind, that who are these two people? Why are they sitting like this? So we have to choose one hero out of the two characters. So one senior lady, one little girl. Both are not matching your age. So what to do? You can either select the little girl as the hero, or you can select the senior lady as the hero. Now, another criteria for selecting the hero is the smartness. So here the senior lady is looking smarter than the little girl who is appearing to be bit dull or in a serious mood. So we will select the senior lady as the hero. We can select the girl also, but I am not talking of that. We are not complicating the issue. Simple, closer to our age, the graduate level, I am talking of the graduate level candidates. Closer to our age is around between 20 to 25, a lady is 40-45, and the little girl also can be of around 10 years. So 15 years difference here, 20-25 years difference there. But then the senior lady is closer to our maturity level. In age, slightly more difference. What I am telling is that she is closer to our maturity level. Anyway, that is also not the issue. That is not the issue. If we choose this little girl, we can choose the little girl also and make the story on that. So here, why this lady we have chosen? I am just telling you the reasons, that these are the reasons, and similar reasons will be applicable for the little girl also. So now, no more discussion on this. We have chosen the senior lady as the hero. Now we see that the child is gloomy, dukhi hai, udaas sa lag raha hai bachcha. So now, what could be the reasons and of the child being unhappy? Now picture mein clearly it is shown that the child is unhappy, little serious. So there can be many reasons that you have to think, you have to perceive. Now, out of many reasons, I'll tell you a few. The child may be having some mild fever or may not be well. That's why the child is looking a bit serious. That is one reason. Child may be having some worry, some anxiety. This is again another reason which is slightly tending to go towards the negative side. But this can be a reason. Child may be annoyed over something. When the child is annoyed, that time also the child becomes serious and then looks unhappy. So I think this also is slightly going towards the negative side, because in the picture it is only shown that the child is unhappy. Now reasons for the child's unhappiness you are bringing forward. Child may be throwing tantrums over something, she wants her demand to be met. This also could be their reason. You see, the child is unhappy, so the reason has to be slightly towards the negative side. Another reason could be the child may be a slow learner. So that is her normal expression. Child is a slow learner, not very bright, very sharp. She is looking a bit dull. So these all could be the reasons for her, the child being unhappy or looking a bit gloomy. You can think of other reasons also. Now the point comes that what is the role of our hero? That is more important, that what our hero is doing to make the child happy. Now I'll give you a story which has been written by one of my candidates after this briefing. And she is a recommended candidate, FCAT candidate, recommended, got into merit, completed her training at Air Force Academy, and now she is posted in one of the Air Force stations as an officer. So she was a fresher, not a repeater, she was a fresher. Anandi was a teacher. I'll give this story at the end, but listen carefully, watch the full video, listen carefully to understand this thing. Anandi was a teacher who was working in a renowned school. So you have given a name to the hero, the senior lady. You have told her profession also in the opening sentence, because the story will be woven around this theme, around her profession. What is the profession of that senior lady? So in professions, you see, she has chosen this. There could be, she can be a mother and daughter, she can be a teacher, she can be a caretaker, she can be a relative, she can be a grandmother. So this also you have to decide before proceeding for the story. So here she has chosen that the senior lady is her teacher, who was working in a renowned school. So introduction of the hero and her profession. Recently she was contracted to provide tuitions to a child. She went to teacher and parents informed that the girl was really poor in studies and always finds excuses. So she is a slow learner. This reason she has chosen. The candidate has chosen this reason, that the girl is a slow learner. Anandi observed the girl for few days. She had specific problems in reading and understanding the alphabets. She also asked the girl what problem she faces. The replies were the same. Now you see, the hero in our story is observant. She has got a definite job to perform. She has been trusted by the parents to hand their daughter under her care. So the hero's personality has come up very nicely. Now she has observed and she has found this problem. She confirmed with the child about the problem, and child also in her own way, whatever the little child could tell, he told that this is the problem. She discussed with the parents and they counseled a doctor. They consulted a doctor. So she said, first let us examine her medically, what is her medical issue, and then we'll carry out the required, desired actions. So not that without ascertaining the cause she started. So the girl was shown to a doctor, who informed that the girl was having dyslexia. Now the doctor's report. For the teacher, she is a slow learner. For the parent, she is a slow learner. So the doctor said that she is having dyslexia. Anandi had full faith in girl's intelligence. So Anandi is showing her level of self-confidence. The qualities are emerging out. She is mature, she is sensible, her reasoning ability is good. She has organized well, that she has first consulted the doctor about her illness and then started action, well organized. Power of expression, of course, is good. So likewise, when we go, we are seeing that right from the beginning, the hero of this story is showing maturity as per her age. She is a confident lady. She is well organized. So a good impression about the hero of the story. Anandi had full faith in girl's intelligence. She convinced the parents that the girl will study well if right approach is followed. So she advised the parents that you can trust me and now I'll take action. We'll follow the right approach. The girl will show improvement. She used techniques like using pictures and girl soon started studying well. So she applied some techniques which she knew, which she has learned as a teacher, and the girl started showing result. The girl got good marks in her examination and she became alright. She started learning faster. So happy ending. The issue, the problem which was seen in the picture, we have not invented anything. We have not denied anything also. You see, these two things are very important. You need not invent a problem, and you need not deny the reality. The girl is looking serious, you cannot say no, she is very happy. Or something like that. So you have not denied the reality, you have not invented a problem, but since the girl is serious, as I told you, 4-5 reasons, any one reason you can choose, and then show your actions, that is the hero's action. In this case, the senior lady, the hero, what she is doing and how she is handling this problem or this given situation. So here I believe our hero has done well, and you examine out of all the 15 qualities, few qualities already I have told you, not all 15 will come out, but 4, 5, 6, 7 qualities will come out in this picture, and the psych is making an impression that this candidate is well deserving. She can be fit to become an officer. The way she has handled the situation maturely and the way she has found a solution to the existing problem. So this way your assessment is done. You can send me more questions. Rest assured, I will answer. I will make videos on whatever are your problems. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.